Okay, stop scrolling. Stop scrolling. This has found you for a reason, okay? Someone's energy just pushed into this reading harder than I've ever felt, and they want you to hear this now. So I do feel like this is a love connection, so let's hear what, we need to know getting into this. I'm tapping into a very specific person, okay? Someone you still feel like in your chest. Even when you try to move on, Spirit keeps saying divine timing, okay? I'm just gonna split the deck here. But yes, if your heart feels warm or heavy right now, then this reading is for you. I know it, okay? Let's get into card number 1 here. We have the King of Swords, okay? This is their current energy. And what I'm seeing is someone who's been fighting their own feelings, okay? They've been thinking about this. They tried to detach, but Spirit saying they failed, pretty much. This person, I just feel like they've been replaying a moment between the two of you, and it's something that they've never said. And I feel like that's why the King of Swords came out. Swords have to do with words and thoughts. So this regret that they have is loud, and it's replaying in their mind over and over, okay? Let's pull card number 2. Let's just pull it from the bottom here. Okay, we have the 4 of Wands. Why they pulled away. Okay, I'm hearing, I'm in fear of losing control. They weren't ready for someone this deep, this magnetic, this unforgettable. They thought distance would make the feelings fade, but it did the opposite, okay? You're someone who provides like the security and stability for them. Okay, card number 3. We have the 7 of Wands here. Here's what I feel like their next move's going to be. So Spirit's showing me a message. It's a literal message, a call, a text, something small but meaningful. They're going to test the waters, but their energy is already on the way back to you, okay? That's what I feel with this, but I'm feeling you don't make the move first. You don't make the move first, okay? Now, I just got a psychic download, and I heard they're closer than you think. So for some of you, they've already written something they're scared to send. Yes, they're sitting on it, they're looking at it, okay? So for some of you guys, if they keep popping into your head, that's why. You can feel that energy, okay? You guys, this connection is not done. It's not even close to being done. So if this reached you, claim it in the comments so your guides know you received it. And make sure to follow me because I post these readings and I know that there's going to be another one you need to hear. And I feel like it's a follow-up to this message. So let me know in the comments if it resonated. I'll see you guys next time. Also, if you like this deck, it's my own personal one I made. I'll link it below.